What's up, guys? Technopath brother here, and welcome to my channel. And so I'll be showing you today how to download a Gcam mod APK 7.0, which is like the coolest APK for any Android device. And let's just get started, okay? Yeah. First of all, go to the Play Store. I know it's not available on the Play Store, but still, just do what I say. Okay, go to Play Store and first of all, download an app called Gcamator. Sorry, Gcamator. Yeah. Okay. Don't get worried up because you don't need to root your device or do anything. Just download this app and just watch forward. Okay. Just getting downloaded. Well, it's just 12 MB app, okay? Just download it. It's not gonna take your whole space. Well, the Gcam, the actual app is not available on the Play Store for all other Android devices because it's like Pixel phones exclusive. But yeah, I'll show you how to download it. Okay, so the app is downloaded and it's like the one-time app. Okay, so just open the app. Okay, now the app will check if your device camera to API status is on or off. For mine, it is on. Okay, so it would take like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so it's enabled. See, if your device camera to API module is not enabled, you don't need to do anything. Just close the app, close the device, and search someone else for another video. Okay, fine. So my camera to API is enabled. So now just shift to your Gcam. Okay, it might take a second or two to download, to search. So it's searching for the correct Gcam. Okay, so my device is a Redmi Note 7, Android version 9.0. So, and the Gcam version is 7.0. So I will select install and it will start installing right away. Okay, fine. Okay, so my app is downloaded now, so we'll check it in my downloading section. Every device has its own downloading section, so please just go there. See, my Google Camera APK is downloaded. Okay, so now just open it. If you are just using an like a third-party app for the first time, please give them permissions. So install. The installation will take like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so it's done. Woo, installed. Dude, install. So our camera APK is installed and good to go. But still, there are some key aspects that we must just look into. First of all, just open the app. Allow it to take pictures and record video. Allow it to take audio and give it access to files on your device. Otherwise, how would it ever store your photos? Okay. So first of all, this motion. Okay. Just close this motion. It's so annoying when you take the photos. Or if you like it, you can just keep it on, but I would rather keep it off. Okay, next step is, okay, first of all, look at the layout. It's so simple. Night side, lens blur, portrait, video, head to the settings section. Okay, once open, just go to the advanced settings, go to the last one. See, there is a feature called maximum brightness. That is, if you want your screen's brightness to be maximum when the app is open, you can enable it. Okay, just go to the saturation section. See, when you just without these tweaks, if you use the app just as it is, it will take just regular photos with no good contrasty colors, nothing. So it's useless, right? So you must just change the settings a bit. So first, highlight saturations to 2.0, shadow saturations to 2.4. Highlight saturations, I would like to keep it at 1.8 and 2.0. Yeah, fine. Now I'm good to go. Yeah, now I'm good to go. And flash, okay, flash, you can keep it auto, you can keep it off, whatever. Okay. Now that's how you set up a Gcam mod APK file. So Gcamator, okay, first of all, Play Store, Gcamator, camera, install it, and then apply the settings that I've told you, and you're good to go. And okay, remember about this, the first feature that is HDR cancel and HDR plus and HDR double plus. Press the center icon, which like helps in a like medium HDR plus, which is the best, I think so. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe.